Kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.
Hello children, this is Ashish, your subject teacher, and today I am going to teach you the second chapter of your English literature book. The name of the chapter is Goose Chase. So let's get started. There are some words that may be new for you, so I think you must know them first before the explanation. I request you to take a copy and a pen so that you could write some important meanings. The first is get wind of, means begin to suspect that is happening or hear a rumor of something. Adorable, sweet or lovely. Waddling, walking with short steps like a duck. Sedately, moving fast. Giggle, laugh lightly. Threaten, to take hostile action against someone. Fatten, to make someone fat. Feast means a large meal for any occasion or celebration. Slaughter, to kill animals for meat. It was Bina who first got wind of what was happening. Waddling excitedly towards her were four adorable geese named after famous explorers Columbus, Marco Polo, Captain Cook, and Amundsen. The geese hurried towards her, their heads bobbing back and forth. So, in this story, Bina is a girl who begins to suspect that is happening around her. She saw that four adorable geese whose names are given in your book are coming towards her, moving their heads fast in a calm and relaxed way. As Bina patted them, she heard one of the hostel cooks giggle and threaten. If you keep demanding more food, we'll fatten you up for the Christmas feast like those geese outside. When Bina was patting them, she heard laughter of hostel cooks. She also listened that they were threatening someone. If they demanded more food, first they would make them fat and then would kill them for the Christmas feast like those geese outside. Bina's heart sank. These sweet, lovable geese, fattened for the Christmas lunch? It couldn't be. Bina sought her friends Vinita, Valerie, and Nisi and told them what she had overheard. Nisi exploded. Killed and eaten? No way. But we can't stop them. They have every right to do what they like with their geese, Valerie said. Vinita was close to tears. They can't do this to those darlings. I think we can do something. I have an idea, Bina said. The four sat together and thought. Maybe Bina's idea was workable. They could steal the four geese and hide them somewhere. Then there would be no geese for the cooks to fatten and slaughter. The next few days, the four of them discussed plans in secret. Bina's heart sank. Means she was very sad. And she can't imagine that these lovable geese were fattened for the Christmas feast. She thought in his mind, it couldn't be. Bina searched her friends, Vinita, Valerie, and Nisi, and told them what she heard. Nisi started crying. They shouldn't be killed and eaten. Valerie interrupted and told her that they can't do anything in this matter and can't stop them from doing this because they are theirs and only they have right to kill or save them. Bina said, but we can't allow them to kill them. We must do something for the geese lives. She has an idea. So all four friends sat together. Now Bina's friends wanted to know her idea. The idea was really workable. According to this, first they would steal the geese and then they would hide them somewhere. Like this, they would be able to save the geese lives from the cook. And the following few days, they discussed their plan in the secret so that they could hide it from the others. To know that what happened next, I will explain the second part the next week. This was only explanation. Assignments can be downloaded from the app. Thank you.